Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your GMC Acadia. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition on. This is crucial for your safety and to properly access the infotainment system. Next, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful pairing process right from the start. Now, let's get your Acadia ready. On your vehicle's infotainment display, navigate to the phone or Bluetooth menu. From there, select the option to pair device or add new device. Your Acadia will then begin broadcasting a signal, making it visible to your mobile phone. This step is essential for your phone to detect and connect with the vehicle's system. With your Acadia in pairing mode, grab your mobile phone. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You should see GMC Acadia appear in the list. Select it. A unique 6-digit PIN will then be displayed on both your Acadia's screen and your phone. Carefully verify that these two numbers match exactly before confirming the connection on both devices. Congratulations! Once the PIN is confirmed, your phone's name will appear on the Acadia's display, indicating a successful connection. You can now enjoy hands-free calling and seamlessly stream your favorite audio directly through your vehicle's sound system. For added convenience, your Acadia will automatically reconnect to your paired device every time you start the vehicle, making your drives more enjoyable and connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.